Hello, I'm Tuken, and today I'm gonna talk to you about augmented reality games. I've been developing for AR for the past 3 months and made a small game in it. First, I started doing different image filters, and after that, I made some different demos. This one is the first one for the game that was the final product, and I also made a little thing where you scan an image and it produces a height map that you can place in your room. This will be available as artist files in the links below. And now onto the main game. The main game is a bullet hell game where you just rotate your phone around to avoid bullets coming at you. I tried to make it really difficult, so good luck with that. And that's really it. About augmented reality, I'm gonna say a few things. So first of all, the biggest problem is field of view. It's really shit in most games. You cannot properly see around you. And the other problem is inconsistency in the tracking, so position is not really usable if you want real-time games. That's why I choose only rotations, and even that it has its problems and teleports around sometimes. And other things are, people are not used to other humans using AR, so when you're in train and you try to play this game, the person sitting right in front of you is gonna be like, hey, why are you recording me? Or like anyone outside is gonna think you're probably recording something. This was especially weird when I was recording this footage and I looked like I'm dramatically recording a piece of dirt. And yeah. Okay, that's it. Links below. I maybe even for Google Play if I managed to do that. And bye bye.